Malaga is a vibrant city on Spain's southern Costa del Sol, in the Andalusia region. Known for its Mediterranean climate, it offers a mix of rich history, cultural landmarks, and stunning beaches. Here are top attractions and things to do in Malaga. 1. Malagueta Beach. Malagueta Beach is a popular urban beach in Malaga, located just east of the city centre. It features golden sand, calm Mediterranean waters, and a lively atmosphere, making it a favourite for both locals and tourists. The beach is lined with restaurants, bars, and traditional Caringuitos where you can enjoy local seafood. Easily accessible from the city centre, Malagueta Beach is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or strolling along the scenic Paseo Maritimo promenade. It's also close to historic landmarks like the Alcazaba and Gibralfaro Castle, offering a blend of beach relaxation and cultural exploration. For a more active experience, try beach volleyball, rent a paddleboard, or take a bike ride along the coastal promenade. There are also plenty of Caringuitos beach bars where you can taste local seafood like espetos, grilled sardines. In the evening, stroll along the vibrant waterfront and enjoy the sunset views over the sea. 2. Malaga Alcazaba. The Alcazaba of Malaga is a historic Moorish fortress located in the heart of the city, overlooking the Mediterranean coastline. Built in the 11th century by the Hammoudid dynasty, it served as a royal residence and military stronghold. The Alcazaba features a blend of Islamic and later Spanish architectural styles, with impressive defensive walls, gardens, and courtyards. It is considered one of the best preserved examples of Moorish architecture in Spain. The fortress is set on a hill, offering panoramic views of Malaga and its harbour. Visitors can explore its ramparts, towers, and the lush gardens that once provided a peaceful retreat for rulers. Connected to the nearby Gibralfaro Castle, the Alcazaba is a significant historical landmark and a popular tourist attraction. Explore the fortifications, wander through the impressive walls, gates, and towers, which offer a glimpse into Moorish military architecture. Visit the courtyards and gardens, enjoy the beautifully landscaped gardens, such as the Patio de Armas, where you can relax amid fountains and greenery. Climb the towers, ascend to the top of the towers for panoramic views of Malaga City and the Mediterranean coast. 3. Malaga Port. Malaga Port, located on the southern coast of Spain, is one of the busiest and most important ports in the Mediterranean. It serves as a major gateway for both commercial and cruise ship traffic, with a strategic location near the Strait of Gibraltar. The port has been a key part of the city's history, dating back to ancient times, and has evolved into a modern hub for tourism, shipping, and trade. The port area is divided into different sections, including the historic port of Malaga, which has been revitalized with shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. The cruise terminal is particularly busy, welcoming thousands of tourists each year who come to explore the city's rich heritage and nearby Costa del Sol. Additionally, Malaga Port is essential for the import and export of goods, such as agricultural products, minerals, and industrial materials. With ongoing developments and improvements, the port continues to play a vital role in the region's economy and international connectivity. 4. Ronda. Ronda is a historic city, famous for its dramatic setting atop a deep gorge, the Tajo River, known for its stunning architecture, including the iconic Puente Nuevo Bridge that spans the gorge. Ronda is one of the oldest cities in Spain, dating back to Roman times. The city also boasts a rich Moorish heritage, with landmarks like the 13th century Arab baths and the Palacio de Mondragon. Ronda is often associated with bullfighting, being the birthplace of modern Spanish bullfighting, and hosts one of the oldest bull rings in the country, the Plaza de Toros, Its picturesque streets, traditional Andalusian charm, and breathtaking views make it a popular destination for travelers. 5. Malaga Cathedral, also known as the Catedral de la Encarnación de Malaga, is a stunning Renaissance-style church located in the heart of Malaga. Construction began in the early 16th century, and although it was completed in the 18th century, it remains a symbol of the city's religious and architectural heritage. The cathedral is famous for its striking facade, grand interior, and its unique asymmetry. One of its towers was left unfinished, earning it the nickname La Monquita, the one-armed lady. Inside, visitors can admire intricate chapels, beautiful altarpieces, and a rich blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque elements. Its location on the site of a former mosque adds to its historical significance, offering a glimpse into the city's diverse cultural past. 6. Gibralfaro Castle. Gibralfaro Castle and the historic fortress perched on a hilltop with stunning views of the city and the Mediterranean Sea, originally built in the 10th century by the Moorish king Barbosa. It was later expanded by the Nasrid dynasty in the 14th century. The castle served both as a military stronghold and as a royal residence. Its strategic position allowed it to oversee the surrounding area, and it was part of a defensive system that included the Alcazaba, another prominent fortress in Malaga. Today, Gibralfaro is a popular tourist attraction, offering panoramic views and a glimpse into the region's rich history. Visitors can explore the castle's well-preserved walls, towers, and ramparts, learning about its history through informative displays. A highlight is walking along the castle's upper terraces for spectacular photo opportunities. You can also visit the adjacent museum of the castle, which offers insights into its historical significance. The castle is easily accessible via a scenic walk from the Alcazaba or a short drive. 7. Malaga Roman Theatre. The Roman Theatre of Malaga, Teatro Romano de Malaga, is an ancient amphitheatre located at the foot of the Alcazaba fortress in the heart of the city. It dates back to the 1st century BCE, during the reign of Emperor Augustus. The theatre was used for various performances, including plays, musical events, and other public spectacles. It could hold up to 1,000 spectators and was primarily constructed using local limestone. The theatre was abandoned in the 3rd century CE, and later, during the Islamic period, much of its stone was repurposed for building the nearby Alcazaba. Rediscovered in 1951, the Roman theatre was partially excavated and restored. Today, it serves as a significant historical site and cultural venue, hosting modern performances and events alongside its archaeological significance. 8. Plaza de la Merced. Plaza de la Merced is a lively and historic square located in the heart of Malaga. It is a popular gathering place, known for its vibrant atmosphere, cafes, and cultural landmarks. The plaza is home to the impressive Church of La Merced, a Baroque-style church dating back to the 16th century, which gives the square its name. One of its notable features is the birthplace of Pablo Picasso, which is located on the eastern side of the plaza. The square also hosts a variety of cultural events and is surrounded by beautiful historic buildings, making it a popular spot for both locals and tourists alike. Its central location makes it a key point in the city's historic district, linking the Old Town with other important areas of Malaga. 9. Constitution Square. Constitution Square Plaza de la Constitución in Malaga is one of the city's most iconic public spaces, located in the historic centre. Surrounded by charming streets and neoclassical buildings, the square has been a central point for social and cultural gatherings for centuries. It features a central fountain and is lined with cafes and shops, offering a vibrant atmosphere for both locals and visitors. Historically, it was a marketplace and has evolved over time to become a focal point of Malaga's public life, showcasing the city's rich history and lively modern culture. Relax at a cafe. Enjoy a coffee or tapas at one of the many outdoor cafes while people watching in the heart of the city. Visit the nearby attractions. The square is close to the bustling Calle Larios, Malaga's main shopping street, and other landmarks like the Picasso Museum and the Carmen Thyssen Museum. Attend events. The square often hosts cultural events, performances, and markets, especially during festivals like Semana Santa or Feria de Malaga. 10. Atarazanas Market. Atarazanas Market, Mercado de Atarazanas, is a bustling and vibrant food market in the heart of Malaga, Spain. Housed in a historic 19th century building, it was once a shipyard, and traces of its maritime past can still be seen in the architecture. The market is famous for its wide variety of fresh produce, including local fruits, vegetables, seafood, meats, cheeses, and cured ham, as well as artisan products. Visitors can experience the lively atmosphere and taste some of the best of Andalusian cuisine. The market is not just a place to shop, but a true reflection of Malaga's culinary culture and history. 11. Museo Picasso Malaga. The Museo Picasso Malaga is a prominent art museum located in the heart of Malaga, Spain, dedicated to the works of Pablo Picasso, one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. Housed in the Palacio de Buenavista, a historic Renaissance building, the museum features over 200 works by Picasso, showcasing a wide range of his styles and periods, from his early academic studies to his later, more experimental pieces. The museum not only celebrates Picasso's legacy, but also connects his work to the cultural and artistic heritage of Malaga, his birthplace. It offers a fascinating insight into his innovative approach to art and his significant impact on modern art movements. 12. Mijas. Mijas is a charming town located on the Costa del Sol, nestled in the foothills of the Sierra de Mijas Mountains. Known for its whitewashed buildings, cobblestone streets, and stunning panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea, Mijas offers a blend of traditional Andalusian architecture and modern tourist amenities. The town is divided into two main areas: Mijas Pueblo, the picturesque hillside village, and Mijas Costa, the coastal area with beaches and resorts. Visitors can explore historic sites, including the Plaza de Toros bullring, enjoy the scenic views from the Mirador de Mijas, or take a ride in one of the town's iconic donkey-drawn carts. With a mild climate, rich culture, and laid-back atmosphere, Mijas remains a popular destination for both locals and tourists. 13. Carmen Thyssen Museum. The Carmen Thyssen Museum is a renowned art museum housed in the Palacio de Villalón, a 16th century building. It showcases an impressive collection of Spanish and European art, focusing particularly on 19th century works. The museum is named after Carmen Chavera, the Spanish socialite and art collector who donated much of the collection. Highlights include masterpieces by artists such as Francisco de Goya, Ignacio Zuluaga, and El Greco, alongside works from the Romanticism and Impressionist periods. The museum offers a rich cultural experience with its well-curated exhibitions, combining both classical and modern artistic traditions. 14. Automobile and Fashion Museum. The Automobile and Fashion Museum Museo, Automóvil, de la Moda, in Malaga, is a unique cultural destination that combines the distinct worlds, classic automobiles and fashion. Housed in a beautiful historic building, the museum showcases a stunning collection of vintage cars dating from the early 20th century to the present, alongside elegant fashion pieces from various eras. Visitors can admire more than 90 automobiles, including rare and iconic models, as well as haute couture garments and accessories from famous designers. The museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the evolution of both automotive and fashion design, highlighting the intersection of technology, style, and history. 15. Malaga Park. Parc de Malaga, Malaga Park, is a beautiful, expansive green space located in the heart of the city, near the historic centre and overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. Covering about 33,000 square meters, it features lush gardens, a variety of exotic plants, fountains, sculptures, and shaded walking paths. Established in the late 19th century, the park was created as part of the city's urban development and has since become a popular spot for both locals and tourists. With a lively food scene, vibrant nightlife, and beautiful coastline, Malaga is a popular destination for both relaxation and exploration.